Hello foodies, welcome to Culinary Adventures, where we unravel the mysteries behind beloved dishes from around the world. Today, we're in the heart of Thailand to explore one of its most iconic soups, Tom Yum Goong. Get ready to delve into the depths of this aromatic and tantalizing Thai treasure. Tom Yum Goong is more than just a soup, it's a symphony of flavors that embodies the essence of Thai cuisine. Join us as we unveil the fascinating facts and history behind this celebrated dish. To make Tom Yum Goong, start by boiling water in a pot and adding lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and galangal. Let the aromatic herbs infuse the broth for a few minutes. Then, add succulent prawns and let them cook until they turn pink. Next, stir in Thai chilies for spiciness and mushrooms for extra depth of flavor. Season with fish sauce, lime juice, and a dash of sugar to achieve the perfect balance of sweet and sour. Let the soup simmer for a few more minutes to allow all the flavors to meld together. Finally, garnish with fresh cilantro and serve the steaming Tom Yum Goong in bowls. Act 1, the origin story of Tom Yum Goong. Tom Yum Goong has deep roots in Thai history, tracing back to the Ayutthaya kingdom. Originally, it was a simple soup made by boiling shrimp in water with various herbs and spices. So, it has a heritage that goes back centuries. I'm intrigued to learn how it evolved into the Tom Yum Goong we know today. Act 2, the evolution of Tom Yum Goong. To unlock the secrets, we need to understand the key components that give Tom Yum Goong its distinct character. First, we have the succulent prawns, which are essential to this soup. Then, we have the tantalizing blend of Thai herbs, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and galangal. Not to forget the fiery chili peppers that add that signature spiciness. Act 3, the yin and yang of Tom Yum Goong. Tom Yum Goong is renowned for its harmonious balance of flavors. Unique combination of Tom Yum Goong. Tom Yum Goong is a perfect marriage of sweet, sour, spicy, and savory tastes. The herbs and spices infuse the broth, while the souring agents like lime and tamarind provide that tangy punch. It's all about creating a symphony of tastes in one bowl. But is there more to it than meets the eye? Act 4, the health benefits of Tom Yum Goong. I've heard that Thai cuisine often emphasizes the use of herbs for their medicinal properties. Tom Yum Goong is no exception. Absolutely. Tom Yum Goong's traditional ingredients like lemongrass and galangal have anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. It's not just delicious, it's nourishing too. Act 5, tasting Tom Yum Goong and final thoughts. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for, tasting this exquisite soup. Wow! The aromatic herbs, the tanginess, and the kick of spiciness, it's a burst of flavors in every sip. Tom Yum Goong is a testament to Thailand's rich culinary heritage, and it continues to captivate food enthusiasts around the world. Our journey into the world of Tom Yum Goong has been a revelation. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the fascinating facts behind this beloved Thai soup. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. Don't forget to try making Tom Yum Goong at home and share your experiences with us. Until next time, keep exploring the diverse flavors of the world. Thank you and goodbye.